I'm Councillor Zandile Gumede, Mayor of eThekwini Municipality. We are just steps away from the last day of the year. We are expecting more visitors to come and enjoy this beautiful city. Durban has been a blessing with less incidents reported. We must continue to enjoy our holidays responsibly. Let's make happy memories in Durban and be safe on the road. I would like to wish our residents and visitors a happy new year. God bless you.